Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My wife and I are making, or we are prepping our dinner. Today we're making bacon carbonara. We always do it in the morning because it's a fun family activity, and we always do everything from scratch. As I said, it's fun, and we do it in the morning because it's also it's healthier to eat early in the evening. So just after close of business or after the workday, we have our dinner. So I just quickly want to show you. Here is the bacon and mushroom mixture. Here we go, delicious with some Italian herbs. And then we also doing the pasta from scratch. There's the tagliatelle, and there my wife is busy rolling out the pasta. There's the balls, pasta balls, and she leaves it overnight in the fridge, and then she rolls it out. I'll show you quickly. Oh, say hi.
Hi.
There we go. I'll always help her with that, but I'm holding the camera in my hand. So, and now you'll see the tagliatelle coming out. There we go. Let me just grab a handful. There. That's it. We'll think about you when we have our dinner tonight. And thanks again for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye.